Just installed Windows 11 and it's already running slow? You're not alone. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 7 essential fixes you must do right after installing Windows 11 in 2025 to make it super fast, smooth, and optimized. Stick around. Fix number 6 is a total game changer that Microsoft never talks about. Let's kick things off with startup apps, the #1 cause of slow boot times. Go to Task Manager Startup tab and disable anything you don't use daily. Apps like Spotify, OneDrive, and Skype love to sneak in here before-after boot time difference. This one tweak can cut your startup time in half. Windows 11 is flashy, but all those animations, they drain your speed. Search for performance options, click Adjust for best performance, or Customize to keep the ones you like. Less eye candy, more raw speed. Windows 11 ships with a bunch of apps you'll never use: Xbox Game Bar, Candy Crush, and even TikTok on some builds. Head to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and Clean House. For deeper cleaning, use tools like O&O App Buster, totally free and safe. By default, your PC runs on a balanced power plan. For better performance, go to Control Panel, Power Options, and switch to High Performance or Ultimate Performance, if available. This tweak alone boosts gaming, editing, and overall responsiveness. If your system has less than 8 gigs RAM, this is crucial. Right-click, This PC, Advanced System Settings, Performance, Virtual Memory, set custom size, initial size equals 1.5x RAM, max size equals 3x RAM. Think of it as giving your PC a turbo boost when RAM runs out. Windows runs dozens of apps in the background, eating up RAM and CPU. Head to Settings, Privacy and Security, Background Apps, and disable what you don't need. This is the secret sauce. Most users skip this. Don't be one of them. Finally, keep your system running smoothly by checking for updates and making sure drivers are up to date. Use Windows Update and tools like Intel Driver and Support Assistant or GeForce Experience for GPU drivers. Outdated drivers equals laggy performance. Stay current, stay fast.
There you go. 7 quick and powerful tweaks to make Windows 11 run like a dream in 2025. Which fix helped you the most? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more simple tech solutions, and turn on notifications so you never miss a speed fix. Check out the links below for bonus optimization tools, and I'll see you on the next one.